How to add a passcode on iPhone 15. Let's dive right into it. To add a passcode on iPhone 15, the first thing you want to do is to open up the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Then scroll down again and tap on Turn Passcode on. Now enter your new 6-digit passcode. And to confirm, enter it again. After that, for security reasons, you will also need to provide your Apple ID password. So type that in. And then tap on the blue button in the lower right corner of the screen to confirm. The setup is now done. When you lock your iPhone, and then when you turn it back on, the passcode that you just set will be needed to use the iPhone. And that's it, guys. This is how you set a passcode on the iPhone 15. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.